So before that, let's practice 6 times deep inhale and deep exhale. Even that, Patanjali says, Pracharna Vidana Bhyam Va Pranasya. So pranayama can help to clean your mind. Also the Patanjali says, Tas Dhyan Heyas Tad Vidya. So that vrittis can be cleansed through the meditation. So this is the theme, this is the purpose of today's. So now let's make 6 times deep inhale and exhale now. Sound breathe. Inhale and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This meditation name is known as witness meditation. So witness means the Sakshi. Witness means observer. So observer who haven't done any action but who have seen your action. So this meditation which helps to cleanse your mind and thought and stress and anxiety. So mind is like monkeys which moves here and there always. So how to cleanse the mind and negativity and emotions. So the very simple things when you see the movie 2 hours or 3 hours, so just you see is moving, but do not keep attachment. So the same thing when you close your eyes, so just check what the thought are coming. Do not feel attachment. So now let's do it. Bring your hand upon the knees into the Chin Mudra, Jnana Mudra or Brahmanjali Mudra, the gesture of the Lord Brahmas. And in this way, close your eyes and let's continue to practice that witness meditation. So while you closing your eyes, so just you see your mind as a movie, as a big screen. So whatever the thought is coming, the good or bad, just watch and let them go. It is mind as a screen, our past life as a movie. So as a movie come on the screen and you see. So there is come on the screen a lot of activities, emotions, actions, dance. The same thing whatever we have done in our life. So many actions which make us very much happy, but many action doesn't make us happy. So what happened? This way is make you happy, make you sad, pain and pleasure. But how to stay always in the pleasant moment? This meditation is really helpful to cleanse our mind, cleanse our stress, cleanse our anxiety, and then stress and anxiety bring the depression in our life. And then when a person goes into the deep depression, goes to the bipolar, means no desire to live on this earth. So all this problem can go out through this meditation. Just you close the eyes and then see what kind of thoughts are coming. So let it go. Let it go through the breathe. Breathing inhale, exhale. Authentic breathe, and then just watch your mind. Watch your thought. Watch your as a screen. And then continue, you keep meditation, but mind do not get attachment. It's not mean if you feel happy with any thought, you want to keep it. But the sad or painful thought, you want to remove it. It does not work. It's only you have to drop all the coins, as the coins have tail and head. So you have to drop pleasant thought or painful thought, pleasant memories or painful memory, the pleasant emotion or painful emotions, because they stay always together. One side tail, another side head. So you need to remove all, you need to drop the coins. And in this way that one day you will find that your mind will calm and peace and no thought. Only the full of the light. The full of the light. The full of the light. And then this way you can meditate for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, or 60 minutes. So just keep watching your thoughts and let it go. Do not keep attachment. So this is the witness meditation, the Sakshi Bhava Dhyan. So keep practicing. It can take 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 10 years, 12 years. But keep continue practice and do not get hopelessness. Because we have lot of memory, lot of emotions. So as deep memory we have, this can take long time. If the old memory come with you, you do not want to see them. So please do not get worried, continue, you keep practicing this technique meditation, and it will help to get free from that. So do not worry, continue, keep this meditation, and it is helpful for the witness or Sakshi Bhava meditation to cleanse your mind. Cleansing of the mind which help to cleanse our body. So keep practicing, and with that thought, let's chant Om, both hand upon the chest. The Om is the universal mantras, universal sound, and then first sound of the universe. So let's chant Om, and then Om is the symbol of the universe. As Patanjali says, Tasya Vachaka Pranava. The Pranava is symbol of the universe, universal truth, omnipresent, omnipotent. So let's continue chant Om. Om. Om.